Light here, and this video is going to be a quick review of the Milwaukee M18 fuel compact blower. I'll be using in this case a 3Ah battery. I have a 5 as well, but the 3Ah works fine. That is a much smaller size than the big ones, but does it have enough power? Well, we'll see. It does come with a couple accessories that allow you to air up, like air mattresses and stuff, and they work quite well. I mean, they'll air it up fast. It has right here, you can adjust the maximum speed, 3 settings, so how fast it will blow. And you may, for leaf blowing, you want it on the top one. For other stuff that's more sensitive, like you don't want to blow up your air mattress perhaps too fast, maybe, you could lower it. And it does have a lock where you can lock it. Whoa, I bet you that was loud. Okay, so let's get serious here. It has good air. It does blow a good amount of air. I will demonstrate that in better conditions. What is the obvious drawback? Well, the obvious drawback is right here. Are you ready for this? The air is brought in on the left side of it. If you are right-handed, which most people are, you're going to have a little bit of problem keeping that from sucking in any loose clothing. Is it a big deal? I don't know. It depends on how coordinated you are, perhaps. But if you're left-handed, this is the one for you. All right. Let's see what it actually will do. Right here, some easy stuff. Hopefully it's picking up on the camera. It blows this light stuff off, no problem. And stuff that's stuck, it does fairly well pulling stuff off that got dried onto concrete. Let's get a little more grass. So you mowed, you got grass on your driveway. So blows it off, no problem. No problem at all. All right, let's see. You want to rake with your leaf blower. So we have, now it is morning, so this is damp. But let's just see, will it actually move it? Yeah. Kind of, but not real well. Here is another practical use. Your lawnmower, you just mowed. You got grass all over your deck. Now I will tell you that it rained, so last week when I mowed, it rained on me. So it all was caked on. I mowed again yesterday and a little this morning. As you can see, it's pretty thick. So will this little guy actually move it? Let's find out. We may have reached the limits. As I said, it was, I didn't clean it off last week, and it had rained on me while I was mowing, and it was really, the wet grass. I can normally blow the grass off if I blow it off after each, time or two of mowing. and it's been dry, it'll blow it off no problem. Just so you can see. Much better. But this, the wet, it was just a little too much for the compact blower. As far as battery life, I can do my entire driveway, sidewalks, mower with just the 3AH battery. So I know that the big ones will just eat up a 3AH really quick. This one, it'll run it for, I'd say, maybe 20 minutes. That's my guess. But it's long enough to do what I want to do, and it's usually down. If you're not familiar with the Milwaukees, you push the button here. I still got 3 lights left of the 4. And now I haven't finished the whole driveway or anything like that, so nor have I finished the mower. But I got 3 left. It was fully charged when I started. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Hopefully that was helpful. I do actually recommend it, but I wanted you to see what its limitations actually are. It's not going to clean that off completely, but you can see it did still move some of it, and if I had loosened it up, it would have blown it all off, and that's what I'll do now. I mean, you can see here that it's caked. It's not loose grass. So if it was loose grass, it would have blew it right off. No problem at all. So one of the cool things with this little one is that you can do things like this with it has a rubber tip. I wouldn't do this on your car when you're drying it after washing, but it is a rubber tip and it's fairly small, so it'll get into places that large ones can't. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your choice.